Alright, so this is an older, I want to say MTD. Yeah, something or other MTD. Not sure on the exact model, but I did a little bit of work to this one. Mainly new battery, and this tire is brand new. So that was the biggest thing. Oil change, fuel filter. The engine ran the entire time when I got it, just needed the battery. That's the only reason it didn't run. It was mainly the back tire that needed fixing, and fuel filter. I did do an oil change to the engine too. It does smoke a little bit. It's an older mower. I mean, this has got to be early 90s, I guess. Yeah, all the tires hold air now that I got that tire switched out. I don't think the blades were too bad on this. It does have shift on the go system. This must have been one of the earlier ones. Not sure when they exactly came out with it, but early 90s would have been pretty much the earliest. Blades are actually pretty good. And everything else feels good there. Bearings, whatnot. Yeah. I haven't even had to choke this thing to start it. It's pretty reliable on that front. And start it up here. Blew a little bit out. Start. Mainly smokes on startup. Once you're going, it's really not too bad. I just put it up in 7. Much easier. And then, just like every MTD in the 90s, this both lowers the deck and engages it. MTD always seems to keep things simple. Feels like the deck blades, deck stop works. Hard to tell though. Yeah, it's really not much to it. These older machines, basic and simple to work on. But if you have any questions, throw in the comments. It's really kind of interesting more. Have a good day.